All right. Hello, hello, hello. This is Jenna Cantor, performer and physical therapist. I'm the founder of Powerful Performer and co-founder of Fairy Tale Physical Therapy. I'm jumping on because I'm always trying to find new information where I can learn more and then share it with you. So I just found this online. It's the private practice section. They have a payment assistance and legal aid grant. Now I'm just going to read this. This is in the description. Hey, Alyssa. So, Alyssa, I don't know if you've heard of this, the PPS Payment Assistance and Legal Aid Grant. So the APTA PPS is committed to assisting its members, private practice special interest groups, and other APTA components in their efforts to obtain reasonable and appropriate payment for private practice physical therapist services, limit regulations that increase the cost of doing business, pass direct access legislation, defend a state practice act, fight referral-for-profit, or engage in other activities that are in alignment with the strategic priorities of PPS. Okay, so before I go into, hey Lynn, before I go into more details, as I'm like literally fishing this out live to better understand this legal aid grant, I think that you need to fit under this category and this belief system already to even be considered for this grant. So, it says on the webpage, which I will provide in the link. I will definitely provide the links. I'm copying it now so I don't forget. In order to aid in these efforts, the PPS board has made grants available to those entities who meet established criteria and demonstrate need. So grants up to $10,000 each will be awarded twice yearly. Applications are due March 1st. That's coming up in the new year for those, and September 1st. Section members, chapters, private practice, special interest groups, or APTA components may seek this funding from PPS to offset a portion of the costs of legal defense, pursue legal action, or seek legal advice to engage in activities that are in alignments with PPS strategic priorities. Okay. So by offsetting some of the expenses in the pursuit of legal or legislative efforts, the section member, chapter, PPSIG, or APTA component will then be able to use the grant funding along with its own financial resources on activities associated with these efforts. Okay, so it has to do with a pursuit of legal action of some kind that is in line with that paragraph that I just put in this. And so I mean, if you are dealing with some legalities and everything that I just read right now is like, oh my gosh, yes, that's what I'm dealing with right now. That's where I could use the help. This is great. This is great specifically for that case. So let me minimize this. So please, please, please. Oh, I can add the link in the comment right now. Yes, I'll do that. So hey, Tamara. So there's a link right there for if everything I said lines up with your needs and lines up with what they support for this specific grant, please go on and apply. March 1st and September 1st is the due date. I'm sure the application's on there. I just closed it. Let me see. Yep, apply now. It's right on that webpage. And that's it. So I hope it's some help for anybody who is dealing with some unfortunate legal stuff. All right, that's it. Take care. Bye.